Hey, hello, my old school soul food family. Hey, I'm just gonna share with y'all something. It's not really a cooking video. It is cold here in the state of Texas, especially here in Katy this weekend. Sleeting and snowing, and we ain't used to this kind of weather. I can't go fishing. I can't go out and visit my neighbors. The roads are treacherous and dangerous, so I went in my canning room and I saw I only had 2 jars of my old school Chow Chow. So I said, what's better to do when you ain't got nothing to do? You shut in into your house, nothing to do. Make me another batch of my old school Chow Chow. I'm not going to do a video for this because I got 2 videos already, and I'll put a link at the end of this video of my old school Chow Chow. But I got all kinds of stuff in here. My base is the green cabbage, but I got green tomatoes in here, yellow, red. I got yellow peppers, red peppers, green peppers, and orange bell peppers. I got jalapeños. I got banana peppers in here. I got red onions, white onions. I got a little celery salt, brown sugar, white vinegar, white sugar. Got everything here going in here. And I'm going to just simmer this for about an hour. Then I'll can it up, do the canning method. And I'll come out with these. My brother loves these. Every time he comes to my house, he always try to take a couple of them, which ain't no big deal. When I see it running low, I make some more. I eat my Chow Chow and everything. It's good on peas and greens and cabbage. I eat it with barbecue. You know, it's good on everything. But yeah, just want to share this with y'all. If y'all haven't seen my video on how to can and make old school Chow Chow, if you're from the South, this is a staple of the South, y'all. When you're eating crowder peas, cream peas, greens, cabbage, even barbecue, you gotta have you some Chow Chow with it and cornbread. So yeah, go check out my link. I'm gonna put a link at the end of this video, and y'all go check it out, old school Chow Chow. All right, y'all have a blessed day out there. Be safe. It's cold everywhere. I know here in Texas it is. I can imagine up north in Chicago and Detroit, them areas is really treacherous. So anyway, y'all stay safe and have a blessed weekend. And I'll see y'all in the next video. See y'all later. Bye.